So good morning, class 6 children. After completing chapter number 15, air around us, we will start with the worksheet number 29. So kindly write your name, class, section, roll number. Your question number 1, A part is, which of the following statements are correct? So if you know the answer, you need to raise the hand. Which statements are correct? Okay, Arnav Agarwal. Air is not a matter as it can't be seen. It is incompressible, exert pressure, all of these. So what will be the answer? Okay.
All of these.
All of these means D option is correct. So children, put tick in the D option. Next is number 2. Identify the correct statements. Oxygen is an odorless gas. Ishita, mute yourself, beta. Ishita Rawat, mute yourself. Yes, Parnika.
Ma'am, option number D, all of these.
Okay, all of these. Next, number 3. Which of the following can reduce air pollution? Yes, Kashvi. Planting more and more trees, using CNG, reducing the number of vehicles.
Ma'am, all of these.
Yes, again. Okay. Children, you have to raise hand if you want to give the answer. All of these means D option is correct. Number 4. Why do earthworms come out of the soil during heavy rains? Need to raise hand. Dravya Jain.
Ma'am, D.
They come out of the soil for respiration. Very good. Okay, next is Puneet. Number 5. Observe the adjoining setup carefully. What do the bubbles evolving here show? Puneet Anand.
Air occupies space.
Air occupies space. Okay. So according to you, C option is correct. Okay, children, I hope each one of you have marked all the options. Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the next question, number B part. Correct the following statements and rewrite them. So let's find out. First is plants gives out carbon dioxide gas during photosynthesis. Yes, Shubh. Shubh, give the answer. Is it true? Shubh, you have raised hand. Okay, Aryan Gautam, can you give the answer for this question?
Can I tell?
Okay, tell.
Plants give out oxygen gas during photosynthesis.
Okay, so children, rewrite the statement. Write down here, oxygen. Oxygen. Rewrite the statement. Okay, next, number 2. The tiny bubbles seen on the inside of the container before water begins to boil are the dust particle dissolved in the water. Raise hand, children. Only then I will ask to you. Naman, will you give the answer for this question? Madhav Kahra.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, sure. Naman.
Ma'am, the tiny bubbles seen on the side of the container before water begins to boil are of air dissolved in water.
Okay, so means this is a wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Dust particle is wrong and now air is correct.
Okay, air. So children, just mark it. The correct word is air. Next is complete the paragraph using appropriate words. Air contains some gases, water vapors, dust particles. What else it contains?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
yes, Parnika.
Ma'am, nitrogen and oxygen.
Nitrogen and oxygen. Write down, children. Nitrogen and oxygen. Do it quickly. Have you written, everyone? Should I move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
No, ma'am.
No. Lavanya, which is left? Tell me. In the last, we have to write down nitrogen and oxygen. Write down, Lavanya. No problem if you are left. We'll do. Wait for you. Okay, children, let's continue. Together, make up 99% of the air and remaining 1% is constituted by R dash. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell marks?
One by
Ma'am,
one.
may
One
I
by
give
one.
Kashfi?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Kashfi,
tell?
tell. Beta, only raise, if you have raised hand, I will ask myself. Kindly don't get panic. Yes, Kashfi, tell. After that, one by one, each one has to tell. Tell me. Constituted by?
The remaining 1% is constituted by carbon dioxide.
Okay, write down, everyone. Carbon dioxide. Next, Shubh, you will give the next answer. A few other gases and Shubh, give the answer.
A few other gases, water vapor and dust particles are present in air.
Water vapor,
Dust
okay,
particles,
and dust particles. और क्या क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, helium.
Dust particle and
Ma'am,
dash
and helium.
present inside the
Helium.
nose prevent dust particle going into the system. No, beta. Why you are saying helium? No. Other gases and this and dash present. क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, yes, give the answer.
Ma'am, where you have written water vapor, there dust particle will come.
No problem,
Ma'am,
beta.
because it has full stop, so next sentence is
Okay.
there.
Okay, fine, fine. So instead of water vapor, here will be a dust particle. And then what we can write down? Dash and dash present inside the nose.
Ma'am, fine hair and mucus.
Mucus. पहले यहाँ पे लिख लीजिए dust particles. Now tell me. Dash and dash are present inside the nose. What is present? Hair. Hair.
Ma'am, fine hair.
Yes, fine here you can write down. And mucus. M-U-C-U-S.
Yes.
And inside the
Ma'am,
nose
mucus क्या
prevent
होता है?
dust particle, just telling you, particles from getting into the respiratory system. Respiratory system. Okay. So children, you must have seen very fine hair are present inside the nose, which prevent the dust particles from moving inside. Now we need to match. Yes, Arnav, tell the first
Ma'am,
one.
mucus क्या होता
Nitrogen.
है?
Mucus is a mucus. But that is present inside the nose. Let me wait for a second. Let me tell you. Yes, Arnav, in the meantime, you can continue. Nitrogen with whom we can match?
Does not support burning.
But it's a watery substance which is present inside the nose. Okay, fine here, and watery substance is present inside the nose, which is known as slippery and watery substance present inside the nose. Okay, got it, Dravya?
Okay, ma'am.
Nitrogen with Arnav?
Ma'am, does not support burning.
Okay, does not support burning. Done. Shubh, mountains with huh? Mountain, but I am not able to hear. Thin air. Okay, mountain, thin air. Yes, Madhav Kara, weathercock.
Ma'am, direction of air flow.
Next, Dravya Jain.
Ma'am, air dispersal of seeds.
Arnika.
Cool surface condensation.
Aryan Gautam. Aryan Gautam, number 6, windmills.
Ma'am, generate electricity.
Generate electricity. Okay, next question will be given by Naman. E part. Children, keep on doing side by side so that there should be no problem. Very short answer type questions. Naman, you have to answer. Question number 1. Air contains dust particles. What prevents these dust particles from entering into our body while inhaling air? So kindly give me the answer. Naman, quickly give the answer. Puneet, Naman. So you have to tell what prevent the dust particles from entering into our beta. Just we have done what is present inside our nose.
Ma'am, find the air and focus.
Yes. Naman, you have not got the question. Fine hair and mucus. Children,
Can I
complete.
also this?
Yes, beta, yes. Children, kindly write the complete answer. I had written in a very short way. So fine hair and mucus present inside the nose. Kindly underline. Write down the answer. Mucus present inside the nose. Rest you can continue from the question. Next, define atmosphere. Aditya Raj, give the answer. Aditya Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
What is atmosphere?
Ma'am, an atmosphere is a blanket of air around the earth.
Okay. So kindly write down, children. Blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Next. Write down side by side each. Ravi, are you writing? Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
Lavanya, Aryan, Gautam. Naman, I want to see your workbook. Show me. Yes, Aryan, Gautam, देख लिया बेटा मैंने. Naman, I want to see yours. Beta, write down the answers. Write down. Okay, okay, written. Good. Complete the rest one. Continue quickly. Next question, short answer type question is, Why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them while
Ma'am, can
climbing high mountains? Yes, Dravya Jain. Why?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell. One by one you have to tell.
Ma'am, mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder because when they go higher, the oxygen level decreases at a high altitude.
Okay. Anybody
They
else?
carry oxygen. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Arnav, give the answer.
Ma'am, I'm Kash.
We go higher, air become thinner and amount of less.
Okay, because simply, so children write down the answer. As we go, mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing high mountains because air becomes thinner, or you can say the level of air is less. Air is less on the high mountains, that's why. Don't wait for me to write down. Air is thinner. At
Can I also try?
yes.
Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them while climbing high mountains because the level of the air decreases as we go higher up in the sky.
Very
due
good.
to high altitude.
Yes. So the level of air decreases. That's why mountaineers, beta, I had written in a very short manner. I want you to write down the complete answer. Okay. Next question is also very interesting. A lump of cotton wool shrinks in water. How that's
Ma'am,
possible?
can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta,
can
yes. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, lump of cotton wool has a lot of air trapped inside the space present in its fiber. When this lump of cotton is merged in water, all
Yes. The air escape out. So children, I want you to write down this answer because you must have seen the cotton. Cotton has plenty of air inside it. And when we dip that cotton into the water, air escape out and it becomes heavier. After that, question number 3. Observe the following setup. What happened to the burning candle when it is covered with the glass tumbler? Why does it take some time to get extinguished? So this is the last question. I want.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, one by one, each one have to give the answer for this question. Yes, give the answer, beta.
The candle extinguished after some time in glass tumbler because after some time the oxygen in the glass tumbler present was used up by the lit candle, and after it is used, the candle extinguished because no oxygen was now provided to it.
Very good. Very good. She has given the answer. Who else want to give? Many of you have done this experiment.
can I?
Yes, sure.
The burning candle can no longer burn and blows out when it is covered with glass tumbler because it contains some limited amount of oxygen inside it.
Okay, very good. Because it has a limited amount of oxygen inside it, that's why the candle extinguishes and it takes some time to extinguish. Anybody else want to give the answer of the same question? So children, write down the answer of this question. With this, your worksheet number 29 is over. Okay.